Today, I am very much excited in terms of the launch which we had for Client Solutions Group. So we simplified our portfolio with Dell Pro and Dell Pro Max offering, and within that we are going to have a different tiering and taking into consideration the customer needs and customer requirements. We are going to have the broadest silicon offering in our portfolio. So we are going to have the products from Intel, AMD as well as Qualcomm. And this is coming in from the customers and partners feedback in India saying we would love to have a differentiated or additional silicon offering from Dell Technologies. And that's where we are very excited and happy to share with each one of you that now we have the broadest and biggest silicon offering to offer to all our customers in India. Yeah, when we say about Dell Technologies, it's more about end-to-end solutions. So when we speak about Dell AI Factory, we know the data is basically the key ingredient when we look at as a AI. So depending on the use case scenario, we offer the right solutions, whether it's an infrastructure offering what we have. Within infrastructure, it's more about the Dell AI PCs, the compute, data center, so the storage, networking and security solutions. That's from an infrastructure standpoint of view. We closely work along with our partner ecosystem to build the right solutions for our end customer depending on the end users. So that's a Dell AI Factory. But within Dell AI Factory, we also have the Dell AI Pro Studio, which is an ingredient out there. For example, we have the pre-validated tools which are available for IT teams or developers, which they can actually work on along with Dell for their devices, and that would help to reduce the development, or it's basically ease of managing the app perspective. So Dell AI Factory and Dell Pro AI Studio, these are the unique offering from Dell Technologies. It's very relevant thought out here. We believe that by year 2028, around 98% of PCs will be the AI PCs. And now things have changed. It's not only about bring your own device, it's more about bring your own AI. We are seeing lots of AI workloads are coming to edge, and across the user groups, whether we call it as a millennials, boomers, Gen X or millennials, right? We have seen the AI adoption increasing, and they are seeing immense benefits coming in of leveraging AI-enabled workloads on their devices. So we will continue to see the AI adoption at a much faster rate, much quicker rate in this year. Sustainability remains a forefront and the solutions which we offer, whether it's packaging or some of our backpacks, right? Those are made with the recycled material, or Dell Pro or Dell Pro Plus. Some of the configurations we are offering a modular USB-C. Now, I believe that's a unique feature, right? Because in case USB-C needs to be replaced for a particular device, then for previous generation offering we had to remove entire motherboard. Now with a modular USB-C design, instead of replacing entire motherboard, we can just replace USB-C in case there is a challenge, or in case it needs to be replaced. Some of our Dell Pro or Dell Pro Plus notebooks, they use 50% plus recycled aluminum. Some of our desktop chassis, they use recycled material. So we take pride in terms of building the products with taking into consideration sustainability and the planet Earth. It is not only about products, but we have asset recovery services available from our services solution standpoint of view, because many of the customers, right, they would like to refresh their existing devices, and few of them have a thought in terms of what do we do in terms of the devices what we have. So with the asset recovery services, we will manage end-to-end cycle of the old device, and we will give the right certification also to the organization, which they can use in terms of the sustainability goals which they have. Peripherals front, yes, absolutely, right. And it is not only about Dell devices, but we have a complete ecosystem solutions in place. Whether we speak about silent keyboard, silent mouse, or for example, the Dell headsets and so on and so forth. I'll give a small example, right. Now, many of the users, they use headset to join for a collaborative meeting as such. So we have the cancellation tools which are kind of available, but we are building in AI even to our ecosystem as well.